Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. We are going to be doing an exciting video today that I feel like I have not seen in the lash industry. I was inspired by makeup tutorials where they do foundation wear tests, where they literally show you guys applying it, their first impression, and then how it wears out throughout the day. So I thought, what a better way to incorporate that for lash products, being that there are so many different lash brands out there and you're always wondering which products to use. So I thought, what a better way to do a product review on some new products that I just recently purchased that I'm really excited about and really wanted to give you guys my honest, real raw opinion of these two products. We're going to be testing out the new Love Me Long Time Lash Adhesive from Lana Lashes. One, packaging is so cute. It reminds me of like Chanel or NARS or like Dior packaging. Super stunning. It claims to have a 0.5 to 1 second dry time, a humidity range of 60 to 80%, which honestly I was really shocked because usually humidity ranges are like 45 to 60%. I'm assuming that's a little bit higher in humidity, being that it is a Miami based lash product. The humidity range is pretty high because Lana Lashes is based out of Miami, and I heard it's really humid out there, so that only makes sense for her to make a lash product that goes best with her humidity environment. It is currently 66% humidity in here and 75 degrees inside, which is pretty perfect for this lash adhesive. The room temperature range is 68 to 75 degrees, and it can last up to 8 weeks, retention up to 5 weeks. So the specs sound really good, and the fact that the humidity level in my room is already perfect, I'm so excited to use this. We are going to be mixing this up on my Vortex because that's what I do with all my glues. My Vortex is my tried and true product that has helped me so much when it comes to shaking my glue. If you don't know, as a lash artist, you're supposed to shake your glue for at least 60 to 70 seconds, but nobody has time for that. The Lab Genius, the Vortex, really does shake up your glue perfectly because he emulsifies the product so that all the ingredients mix perfectly together. We also are going to be trying the Elaine Beauty Brown Lashes. I did get these in CC Curl 0.05, and honestly, as you guys can see, they're extremely soft. They're very pretty. You can see that brown color really peeping through. I did actually try these lashes the other day. However, I really couldn't get my full opinion because it was just a regular wet set. Pretty much any lash type will work for a wet set because you're literally not putting in any effort. There really is no like particular way with wet sets. Like, you're literally just picking up a couple and going. I'm really going to test the products out today because we are going to be kind of some fans. So I really hope that you guys enjoy this style of lash product reviews, and let's just go ahead and dive right into it. First things first, we're gonna go ahead and tape her down using VI's gel pads, of course. You guys already know, if you guys have been following me for a minute, that these are my favorite gel pads. They don't get like too dry, they're not too moisturizing, and they don't rip your client's under lashes. Go ahead and look up. And they literally really do depuff. They do have caffeine in it. I don't know, every single time I've used it on my clients, they say that they love it. I even use it underneath makeup sometimes when I'm getting ready. So your concealer is about to sit so nice, sister. Next, I'm gonna go in with my favorite tape. This is the white tape from Amazon. It's not the Nichibon tape, it's not the sensitive skin tape. There is a specific one. I bought another one. It's not like this. This is exactly a Next Care white tape. Be careful which one you buy. I will link this one down below, that way you guys are not buying the wrong one. Her lashes are looking so amazing, so healthy, so strong. They are a perfect lift. So we could either use a C curl, we could use a CC curl. We personally like a CC curl on her. She's used to getting decurled lashes, which I don't think flatters her eye shape, but it's okay. But we're gonna be using a CC curl on her. Brown lashes from Elaine Beauty, and testing out the new Lana Lashes. Go put your hair on the side for me. So we're gonna go ahead and do our mapping and our consultation. So as soon as I'm done with that, we'll jump right back on. Alrighty guys, we're gonna go ahead and get started. So we are going to be doing a wispy full set, which is a mixture of like a light to full look. It's definitely perfect for that everyday where you want to be glammed at night when you're doing your makeup, or if you're gonna want more of a subtle look when you're not wearing makeup. It's like the perfect in between. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So we are also using the brown lashes. So let's see. Straight away, the viscosity is very thin. Looks like I have time to lash wrap, and she's on there. You guys already know that I love a thin viscosity glue. It's just the best when it comes to making fans for me personally. The dry time doesn't seem too fast, nor does it seem too slow. And it's just sticking perfectly, but you have time to like move it or wiggle it on there just in case you kind of want to get like a good lash wrap. Okay, that's nice, that's nice. Really liking the brown lashes too. When it comes to making like spikes or like I said, wet set fans, they're honestly no complaints. They do the job just fine. They come off the strip really nice. There's no tugging and pulling. Love it, love it, love it. And as far as humidity, it's currently 65% humidity in here, which during the wintertime, the humidity is going to be high in my room. So this glue has a wide humidity range of higher humidity. And yeah, it just seems, yeah, as soon as I put it on there. So it is kind of fast. I'm not gonna lie, it's a little fast, but that's fine because for me personally, I like to lash fast. So I really don't mind it. Yeah, that's really nice. It's definitely my speed and my consistency that I do like. So far, so good. Yeah, it's actually a really nice speed. So I have been really testing out another glue as well. The retention is amazing, but this glue does dry very slow. But I think, well, no, that glue, it's not too slow, but it's definitely slower than what I'm used to. But the retention for that glue is seriously the best retention I've seen in a glue. But I don't know, I'm really, really, really liking this one. Yeah. Another thing that I like right now off the bat with the glue is that I'm not getting stickies, but I'm getting the attachment that I need. Actually, let's see. So here, we did get a sticky right here, but it came off beautifully. So it's not like one of those glues that stick too much. So I don't know if that's a good or a bad thing, but again, just things I'm noticing right now. Like I said, I'm definitely loving the speed. I'm gonna go ahead and make a quick fan and see how these brown lashes fan too. Let's see. All right, I picked up a decent amount. Okay, I am struggling a little bit, but so, I don't know if it's my tweezer because it might have a little bit of glue on it. Okay, so back to the glue. No, you guys, I think I really like the glue. This video is not sponsored, by the way. Yeah, you get to see that glue, it's locked on there. And one thing I like too is that it didn't close up my fan. I hate when glues close my fans. It's probably like the most annoying thing for a lash tech when that happens. Got a sticky there, but yeah, it's really, really nice. Can't complain, you guys. First impression, it's really nice. Love the viscosity. It's definitely on the thinner side. I'm really, really loving the viscosities. You guys know my favorite adhesive in the world was caramel adhesive from BI's, but unfortunately they did discontinue that glue. But the viscosity is very similar, but in a black adhesive. So I'm really liking that. The lashes are great for making spikes. Right now, I seem to be kind of struggling to make a fan. So again, I don't know. I'm going to clean my tweezer and see, or actually just use a clean tweezer, because I do see some lash glue. So give me 1 second. Let me clean this off and we'll jump back on. All right, so I went ahead and did lashes. I went ahead and lashed up just a bit. Oh, we already had one fall out. I feel like I didn't place that one right, but I'm gonna go ahead and I was gonna redo my adhesive. This is what she's looking like as of right now. So you guys can see it's a little thick. Definitely needs to be changed out. I can tell by the way when I'm dipping my glue. So we are gonna put a fresh glue cup down. I do like to use a brand new glue cup whenever I am replacing my glue, because glue next to glue doesn't really stick, and I just feel like I don't want the fumes from the old glue affecting the new fumes, so we're not going to do that. And I'm also going to go ahead and just shake up the adhesive a little bit. I only use the vortex like one time during my lash appointment or with my client, and then I'll shake it up a little bit in between just to kind of get those products so it's not sitting so long. Don't forget to clean off your adhesives, please. If you want to take care of your adhesive and get the longevity out of it, use a lint-free wipe. Always burp your adhesive too and just keep it clean. I really love how thin this glue is, you guys, but yeah, so far so good. As far as the brown lashes, I did went ahead and cleaned my tweezer, and they are actually fanning a lot better. So definitely make sure that your tweezer is clean and that you're using a tweezer that you love to make fans with. That way it's easier for you. But yeah, like I said, so far so good. Alrighty guys, we are done. We completed the set in exactly, what time is it? Let me see your phone. We started around 5:35 and it is now 7:47. So it took us exactly 2 hours to complete the set, which is pretty typical for me, especially with these type of sets. They're a little bit more strategic in where I need to place my lashes. So as far as glue, it was fast. It wasn't too fast, especially when the AC, we did knock the AC down by 1 notch. So instead of being at 77, we had it at 76 degrees, and that helped it work better. My humidity level kept changing from 58 to about 62% humidity, and I didn't see any difference in that fluctuation. So I feel like it was good. I didn't have any problems with it. I hardly had stickies, which was great, because usually when you go in and you have a fast glue, you kind of want to work a little faster, but you'll get stickies if that glue is not drying fast enough as it's being placed onto your natural lash. You know, when you go and you place your extension down and it adheres to the natural lash. However, like when it sticks to plastic or if there's a lash next to it, it tends to get stuck because some of it's still drying. I did not get that problem. I had gotten none fall off except for like 1 or 2, which was typical because I probably didn't place those right. So far so good. The brown lashes, again, once I cleaned the tweezers, they fanned out beautifully. To say they fanned like butter, no, I'm not gonna lie. I would probably give them like a 9 out of 10, just because I felt like maybe if I tried the 0.03s, I would have a better time fanning. It wasn't terrible. Like I've tried other brands that they cannot fan at all. Like these you know, just a little bit maneuver and then you kind of get the hang of it. But single length trays for the same amount as a regular lash tray, I'm not complaining. So we're gonna go ahead and set these lashes. I'm gonna use the VI's Super Bonder. That's just because that's what I have right here on the microscope. And I'm gonna take an extra one and just dab off the excess and then just go at the base of the lashes. So clients, can you let us know how you felt during your service?
I think they felt good. I fidget a lot, so I opened my eyes a lot, and I was telling my sister that it wasn't like how an other glue she's tried on me where I would open my eyes and it would like I would get that burning shock. It was like a more of like, ow, I opened my eyes. Let me close them now. If that makes sense. But it wasn't like, it didn't like burn me where my eyes started like watering until like, this was like the first time my eyes never teared.
Yeah, like no watering, which is great. Like she said, she fidgets a lot. So if she wakes up, she automatically opens her eyes every single time. So usually her eyes start to burn, they start to water, which then makes our set take forever because she's watering. So that's a really huge plus. So like I said, so far I'm really liking the glue. So go ahead and blow dry, and we're gonna go ahead and remove our gel pads now. Like I said, I made sure I checked before I did this. I got no stickies. I think they look so good. I can't wait to show you guys the end results. So we're gonna go ahead and let her open her eyes. Go ahead.
Oh my god.
Let me see. Let me turn the other way. I'm legally blind.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, they're so pretty.
I want to see. I'm excited.
Me too. Okay, there's one that's like, I think it's like sticking out way too much. But
it's fine. Let me just
see.
Real quick. Okay.
I've been on top for a while. That's how I chip it to the moon.
Everybody, these are my lashes. Don't mind me that I'm oily. I just got out the gym. I just wanted to say that this was honestly the best lash appointment that I've had with my sister, especially with this glue, because it didn't burn. I don't know if you guys watched her video, but it did not burn at all, and they literally looked like the day I got them done. Like, I probably had like a couple lashes fall out, nothing too crazy. I think this is like one of my favorites that my sister's ever done on me. Like, are you kidding me?